Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, March 24th. Well, a lot riding on this vote coming up on healthcare, and we can see that the market, I think, is orderly in terms of behavior. I do look for follow through though to the upside. And what's interesting is that what we're operating on is perception. In other words, if the vote doesn't go through, the market may say, oh my gosh, the whole agenda will fail, because he's not able to accomplish this. On the other hand, you have people who are saying, well, the Republicans are rushing this vote through just like the Democrats did. Democrats said, let's pass it and then we'll read it. Well, the Republicans, in terms of making changes, have they really done their complete homework? The fact is right now, though, there's a perception of what needs to be done, and this vote, from the market's point of view, is important. So we'll see. If we get that cast, I am looking for movement to the upside in these stock indices. Now let's take a look at the currencies. The euro's backing off. It traded below its bearish level, and that happened in the Asia session. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish is $1,625 a contract. I look for continued weakness also in the Swissy. The magnitude change here between the bearish and bullish level on that market is $112.50, and I look for continued movement to the downside. Let's move on over to interest rates. In the 10-year notes, we did back off. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels in that market, $843.75, and I look for continuation to the downside in that market. Gold. Well, gold's not doing much. It may be turning over here a bit. We get the rally in the stock market. Look for a down move in this market, and that is what I'm looking for. Also, crude oil, the fundamentals do not support this market, but it did trade above the bullish level. The magnitude change here is $300 a contract. I'm looking for a downward move or an unchanged type behavior in that market. Let's move on over to soybeans, and there we're seeing continued weakness in that market. And even though we're approaching levels we should get a bounce, we're just not seeing that yet. No buyers present, and I'm looking for continued weakness. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'll be with you again tomorrow, and in the meantime, take care.